Hey guys, we're back today with a roller coaster. We're going to talk about potential and mechanical energy, which heavily involves roller coasters. So let's get started. What is potential energy? Potential energy is a form of energy that's due to an object's position or condition in time. And there are three different kinds of potential energies we're going to talk about. The first type is chemical potential energy. So any compounds that are bonded have chemical potential energy because once that bond breaks, it releases energy. The second type is called gravitational potential energy, and this is when you're up on a high altitude and you have energy to gain some kind of motion due to being at a tall point. And this is purely due to gravity. Our last type of